Hi guys! Do you have a fashion product, but don't have a model to photograph the product? Don't worry, now our favorite app, CapCut, has presented a feature called AI Model, which can certainly help us all. And without any further delay, let's go straight to the tutorial on how to use it. First, make sure you have a photo of your fashion product with a flat lay shot, like the one you see in this example image. I assume you already have it. Now open your latest version of CapCut app. Then select the AI Model feature here. Here, choose a model that you like, but of course adapt it to your product. Then continue by uploading a photo of the fashion product that you have prepared. You can add a maximum of 5 photos for each upload. This is what it looks like if your product photography is correct. If it does not meet the requirements, an unsupported statement will appear like this. The CapCut app will also automatically categorize your product, whether it includes tops or dresses. Next, also select the model pose you want to use. You can choose more than one or even all of them. Tap Generate. Then wait for the process to take place. So, this is the result of your fashion product, after being worn by an AI model. Finally, tap Export. And now, your model photos has been saved in the gallery. Okay guys, that's how to use CapCut's newest feature, AI Model, to help your fashion business. Easy, isn't it? Hopefully this video is useful. And thank you for watching.